Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix the HITV app when it is not working due to a network error. If you are having trouble connecting to the HITV app, don't worry, we've got you covered. So now let's jump right in. The first step is to ensure that your internet connection is stable. Check if other apps or websites are loading correctly on your device, and if not, try restarting your Wi-Fi router or switching to mobile data to see if the HITV app starts working. Next, go to your device settings and find the HITV app. Clear its cache and data. Sometimes this can help resolve temporary issues that may be causing the network error. Once you have cleared the cache and data, reopen the HITV app and check if the error still persists. Make sure your HITV app is up to date. Open your application store and search for HITV and see if there is an update available. Sometimes network errors are caused by bugs that have been fixed in newer versions of the app. If clearing the cache and updating the app didn't work, try uninstalling and reinstalling the HITV app. This ensures that you have a fresh installation, which can often resolve network errors. And that's it. These steps should help you fix the network error in the HITV app. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.